This is an L sample answer. Keep practicing to build confidence. To try a mock test with these questions, watch our mock test video. Let's start off by talking about weather. Do you prefer hot or cold weather?
I prefer warm weather because it allows me to spend more time outside. I enjoy going for walks, visiting parks, and exploring nature when it's sunny. Cold weather makes me feel less active, although I do enjoy winter for the holidays and cozy indoor activities.
How does the weather affect your mood?
The weather affects my mood a lot. Sunny days make me feel more energetic and happy, while cloudy or rainy days can make me feel a bit down. When it's cold and gloomy, I prefer staying indoors with a good book or watching movies, which helps me relax.
What do you usually do on rainy days?
On rainy days, I like to stay indoors and do something relaxing, like reading a book or watching a movie. If I have to go out, I make sure to carry an umbrella and wear waterproof shoes. I find rainy days a bit calming, so I sometimes enjoy watching the rain from my window.
Does the climate in your country change a lot throughout the year?
Yes, it does. My country has 4 distinct seasons, so the climate changes significantly. Summers are usually warm, while winters are quite cold and snowy. Spring and autumn are mild, with temperatures that are neither too hot nor too cold. I enjoy seeing the different seasons.
Have you ever experienced extreme weather?
Yes, a few years ago, we had a very strong snowstorm in winter that made it difficult to travel, and many places were temporarily closed. It was a bit scary, but it was also impressive to see how much snow could fall in just one day. I had to stay home until things improved, which was a memorable experience.
That's the end of part 1. Now we are going to move to part 2. In this part, you will have 1 minute to prepare and then speak up to 2 minutes. Describe a famous person you admire. You should say who this person is, why they are famous, what you admire about them, and explain how this person has influenced you.
A famous person I admire is Emma Watson. She is well known for her role as Hermione Granger in the Harry Potter films, which made her famous at a young age. Since then, she's not only had a successful acting career, but has also become a prominent advocate for gender equality and women's rights. What I admire most about Emma is her dedication to using her fame for positive causes. For example, she is a UN Women Goodwill Ambassador and helped launch the He for She campaign, which encourages men to join the fight for gender equality. Her speeches at the United Nations were inspiring, and she uses her platform to raise awareness about important issues affecting women worldwide. This commitment shows that she's not just an actress, but someone who truly cares about making a difference. Emma's personal choices also make her a great role model. She is highly educated, having completed her studies at Brown University. I find this impressive given her demanding career. She has shown that you can be both successful and prioritize education, which is something I really respect. Emma has influenced me to stand up for what I believe in and to value education. She proves that you can use your voice for good, no matter where you come from. Her example has made me want to get involved in social causes and work toward positive changes in my own community.
That's the end of part 2. Now we are going to move to part 3. We are going to continue to talk about famous people. Do you think famous people are good role models?
Some famous people can be excellent role models, especially those who use their fame to promote positive values. For example, many celebrities support charities or raise awareness about important issues like climate change or mental health. However, not all famous people set good examples, and sometimes their actions can influence people in a negative way. I think it depends on how they choose to use their influence.
Why do some people idolize celebrities?
I think people idolize celebrities because they often see them as successful or talented, which can be very appealing. Celebrities seem to lead exciting lives, and many people aspire to have the same fame or lifestyle. Social media also plays a big role, as it lets people follow every part of a celebrity's life, making fans feel more connected to them. For some, this admiration is a form of inspiration.
Do you think social media has changed the way people view fame?
Yes, definitely. Social media has made it easier for people to become famous quickly, even if they aren't traditional celebrities. Now, influencers can gain a huge following and become well known just by posting online. This has changed how people view fame, as it's now more accessible to anyone with internet access. Social media also allows fans to interact directly with celebrities, making fame feel more personal and approachable.
That's the end of the speaking test. Good job.